This example, we're going to learn how to route a task to multiple users, but we only expect that task to be completed by one of the users that we routed to from the list of users. So let's go ahead and create a new workflow definition. Let's call this task route to multiple example. Once the definition opens us in the workflow designer, we're going to get the task step, route to task to users. We're going to select a bunch of users. So let's select the first 3 users. And we're going to give a task description as finance approval. If you need to put more details, we can put it also in the task detail description. Please review finance documents. Once we have done that, we can also, if you look at this particular icon, it says wait for all to respond and it's set to no. By default, even though we have routed to multiple people, it's going to only expect one person to approve this task. If you said wait for all to respond, it's going to wait until everybody responds. And if anybody rejects the task is considered rejected. So let's go ahead and set this to no. Let's go ahead and save this. And let's execute this workflow definition. Before we do that, let's save the definition. And what we're going to do is we're going to create an instance, create and execute. Let's close the workflow designer. And let's go and look at our workflow instances. As you can see, this particular one is sleeping at the moment. It's waiting on this task step. If you go to items and look at the task, you will see that there are 3 tasks that are routed. Okay, the same task, finance approval, to admin user, to Joe Malone, to Mark Thompson, and it's waiting for one person to act on this task. Let's go ahead and go to my tasks, since this was routed to me also. I'm going to go ahead and view my task list. You can see finance approval. And I'm going to go ahead and complete this task. Since only one person is required to complete this task, as soon as I complete, the other tasks will disappear from the other users' task list. And if I go to my workflow instances, you will see that the workflow instance has status of finish, and you can see the workflow has completed.